Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to sign the books of the Bible. And in this lesson, we are going to tackle the Old Testament. Old Testament. Testament. Genesis, 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 Exodus, 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 or Exodus, Egypt, live, Exodus, Leviticus, 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 L hand shapes facing down, going away from each other. Leviticus. Numbers, Numbers, Numbers. Or Numbers, Numbers. Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy will have to finger spell. Deuteronomy. Joshua, Joshua. S hand shape on the cheek, Joshua, Joshua. Judges, Judges, Judges. F hand shape facing down, Judges, or Judges, Judges. Ruth, Ruth, R hand shape, Ruth. Samuel, 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 Samuel. Kings, Kings, Kings. K hand shape. Chronicles, we will have to finger spell. Chronicles. Ezra. Ezra has no sign, so we will have to finger spell. Ezra. Nehemiah, Nehemiah, Nehemiah. N hand shape, Nehemiah. Esther, Esther. E hand shape on the chin, Esther. Job, Job. Psalms, Psalms. P hand shape, Psalms, Psalms. Proverbs, Proverbs, Proverbs. P then V. Proverbs. Proverbs. Ecclesiastes. This has no sign, so we will have to finger spell. Ecclesiastes. Song of Solomon. Song, then we finger spell Solomon. Song of Solomon. Isaiah. 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 Jeremiah. 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 Isaiah is an I, then Jeremiah will make a J. Jeremiah. Lamentations. 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 Ezekiel. 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 E handshake. Ezekiel. Daniel has no sign, so we have to finger spell. Daniel. Hosea. Hosea has the same sign with another book, so before we do the sign, we have to finger spell. Hosea. Then Hosea. Hosea. Joel. Joel has no sign, so we have to finger spell. The following books have no signs, so we have to finger spell them. Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, and Nahum. As they follow each other, they all don't have signs, so we have to finger spell each and every time we are referring to them. Habakkuk. Habakkuk has the same sign as Hosea, so we have to finger spell it before we make the sign. Habakkuk. Then we sign. Habakkuk. Habakkuk. We use H handshake just as the sign for Hosea. Hosea, Habakkuk. But remember, always you have to finger spell before you sign so that the deaf can get the difference between the two books. Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and Malachi have no sign, so all of them have to be finger spelled whenever you are referring to them. If you don't know how to finger spell, I will put a link on ABC, the easiest way to sign, so that you can get how you can sign all the books that have no signs. That is how you sign the books of the Old Testament. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Also tap on the notification bell so that you can get the other part, which is how to sign the books of the New Testament. See you in the next video. Bye.